What's up guys, Eli's Gadgets back with another video, and today I'll be showing y'all how to make a teleporter pad from one place to another. So first things first, you click part, you can color it whatever you want it. I'm going to scale it up a bit to something else. Yeah, now it's like a box, so let's put that right here. And let's get another part, and make it red. Alright, so now put that about right here. So what you're going to do now, since you have these two parts, is click one part, and click it again over here, and name it part 1. So now this is part 1, then you click the other part, and name it part 2. It's pretty basic. Now what you're going to do is click it, right click, insert object, and then add a script. And then do the same for part 2. Okay, so now what you're going to do is go into script, delete all this, and then enter all of this coding. I'll have it in the description. So it's part 1, so you'll need it part 2, I think. Go to the other script. Let's get that up here. Delete it, and then paste it. You're gonna name this part, or do this part 1. Alright, so now it should all be done. Let's test it. Okay, they're over here, so if you run it over, it teleports you to the other pad. I forgot to anchor it, so yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. It's pretty basic and good. So if you had like a wall, let me move these a bit. I'm gonna anchor them real quick. So let's just put in a wall right here. Make it green. No, not green. This color, whatever that color is. So if you want to go like one place to another, but there's a wall in the way, but you want to teleport. So go in. So there's a wall, right? So you run over this, and then boom, you're at the other side. It's really simple to make this. Yeah. So don't forget to check out my other videos, check out my channel, and subscribe for more videos like this. See y'all guys in the next video. Bye.